Welcome to the EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard, a part of the EXIGENCE Research Project. As digital services continue to grow, video streaming has become one of the largest contributors to energy traffic and energy consumption. Every streaming decision, such as selecting a higher video quality, has an environmental impact. EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard helps service providers understand these decisions, predict user behavior, and design effective incentive mechanisms that encourage greener digital services without compromising the user experience. In this demonstration, we showcase EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard using a synthetic video streaming scenario with 20 users. We begin with an environmental leaderboard. Here, EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard continuously monitors user behavior by estimating the CO2 emissions associated with each streaming decision and translating them into environmental points. The platform instantly identifies the users who are already making environmentally friendly choices, as well as those with the greatest potential for improvement. Rather than simply collecting data, the EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard transforms environmental information into actionable insights that allow providers to quickly assess the overall sustainability of the network. Monitoring alone is not enough. EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard predicts how user rankings environmental performance would evolve if different streaming decisions were made. For every user, the platform estimates few environmental points, expected ranking, and the impact of selecting greener alternatives. These predictions allow providers to evaluate multiple scenarios before deploying any intervention, helping them identify where the greatest environmental gains can be achieved. In other words, EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard moves from the reporting what has happened to predicting what is likely to happen next. The platform also enables interactive exploration of user behavior. With a few clicks, providers can simulate changes in individual streaming decisions and immediately observe their effect on emissions, environmental scores, and the overall ranking. This interactive capability makes EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard a powerful decision support tool, allowing stakeholders to evaluate what-if scenarios in real time and better understand the consequences of individual user behavior of the entire ecosystem. One of the EXIGENCE's core capabilities and innovation is incentive management. Here in EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard, instead of distributing incentives uniformly, the platform evaluates where incentives will have the highest impact. Providers can assign rewards to individual users or entire groups and immediately observe how these incentives influence user decision and environmental outcomes. EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard also incorporates behavioral characteristics into its predictions. Different users respond differently to incentives. Some users are primarily motivated by personal benefit, while others naturally consider environmental impact. By modeling these behavioral differences, EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard enables personalized incentive strategies that improve effectiveness while making better use of the available incentive budget. Finally, EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard supports strategic decision-making from the provider perspective. The platform analyzes how different incentive budgets translate into reductions in network traffic and associated emissions. This allows providers to identify cost-effective intervention strategies that maximize environmental benefits while efficiently allocating available resources. Rather than relying on trial and error, EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard enables data-driven optimization supported by predictive analytics and behavioral modeling. EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard combines environmental monitoring, predictive analytics, behavioral modeling, interactive simulation, and intelligent incentive optimization within a single platform. By helping stakeholders understand user behavior and design more effective sustainability strategies, EXIGENCE contributes to green digital services, lower carbon emissions, and more energy-efficient network operation. Thank you for watching the EXIGENCE Environmental Dashboard demonstration.